Want to make a fun Valentine's Day gift that's both adorable and functional? In this video, we'll be using a die set from Alina Cutie to make this cute basket. This basket can hold a lot of small items such as candies, gift cards, and more. It's quick to make and uses minimal supplies. I'll show you how. So here's a closer view of the basket. This right here is just tissue paper, and I cut it and then crinkled it up a little bit. And then, of course, the presents that's in here. But the main body of the basket is here. I used Brad's here, and these all have their own die, layering dies, so that's really nice. And it's, interactive. You can definitely move it side to side as well. And it's just cute and adorable, and it holds a lot of stuff. So here's the die set that I use. Again, it's by Alina Cutie. But here's how it comes. It does come with flowers and leaves. Here's the handle, and here's the base, and then the actual hearts with stitching, and then the layering pieces. So it's really nice. I will link the Amazon for this die. And this is the paper that I use, is the 6x6 paper pad by Echo Park. So what you'll need is 2 pieces of the side walls, and then just one handle, and here's your base. And then you'll need pieces here, which is your middle piece, and then this one obviously is your side piece, and then these here are your other sides. What I really like about it is you can see the detail on this die. It's stitching, cute little hearts all the way around. You can definitely make this basket without a die, but I just fell in love with the hearts. Thought it was really cute. So that's why I purchased it, and it's so quick to make. You can make a bunch of these in no time. right, so this is what it looks like put assembled. So you can see how easy it was. It's interactive, it does move, and because I put it right next to the score line here, you can see that there's no gaps. Okay, I did notice that when I was just putting it up to the score line, there's gaps. So if you don't want the gaps and you want it to be nice and pretty like this, put it up to the score line where the fold is, and you won't have gaps. Okay, so I thought the paper is really, really cute and adorable, and just it's so cute and easy. All right, so what did I put? So again, these are just tissue paper that I used. You know, I just took it, folded it. Didn't have any crinkle paper, but hey, you can make your own. So I thought these were really cute. So I'll put half of it in, like so. And then you can put a gift card if you wanted to. You could put it this way. It actually even stands up that way as well. I kind of liked it that way. At an angle, you could put Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer. You can also put, they sell this at, I got this at Dollar Tree, but you can also put something this size in here as well with no problem. It's still good. There's still, it fits just fine, but this one is cute. It's just a cute gift all around, right? And then of course, it's a Valentine's Day, comes with candies. Right, so you can put candy. If you don't, lip balms fit it here. And then the remaining, I just wanted to kind of cover it up a little bit just for, I don't know, decoration. Just so it's not like just candy sticking out. Right, so there you go. You can definitely just take this stuff out if you don't like it. But I thought it was really cute. It kind of looks like a present, right, with all the extra wrapping. Or you could just leave it, take all that out, and just put what you want to put in there. It just doesn't look as pretty, I guess. Let me see. Come on, stand up. And you can do it like that too. So if you like this, make your own. You can give it like this. So, all right, guys. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it. You can make this in no time. Again, I will put the links for Alina Cutie, her die set, and so you can purchase one if you want. I am not affiliated with her. I just like her dies. You saw how quickly it was to make, and this doesn't have to be Valentine's Day. It can be any occasion that's coming up throughout the year, or just because are always welcome, just because it is a surprise. If you want to bring somebody joy for that day, especially during this time, why not? So thank you for your time. Hopefully you guys have a good week, and please be safe out there. Thank you guys. Bye.